Hey guys, how are you? I hope that you all are doing awesome. Today we are talking about top life insurance companies in USA for health and home. And first of all, we talk about the introduction. Choose the right life insurance company is crucial when it comes to protecting your health and home. In the USA, several companies offer comprehensive coverage for both areas. Let's explore some top life insurance companies in the USA for health and home. And second point is XYZ Life Insurance Company, renowned for its comprehensive coverage options. XYZ Life Insurance offers flexible plans tailored to individual needs. With excellent customer services and competitive rates, they are a top choice for coverage of health and home risks. ABC Insurance Group, a leading provider in the USA. ABC Insurance Group offers policies designed to cover health and home related risks. Their policies include benefits like coverage for medical expenses and home damage due to unforeseen events. And our fourth point is PQR Assurances. PQR Assurance focuses on comprehensive coverage for health and home. They offer policies that combine health and homeowners insurance with the reputation for hassle-free claims and affordable premiums. LMN Coverage Corporation. LMN Coverage Corporation prioritizes health and home protection in their range of life insurance policies. Known for reliable coverage and exceptional service, their policies often include critical illness coverage and home repair coverage. DEF Insurance Services, trusted in the industry. DEF Insurance Services provides comprehensive coverage options for health and home. Their policies can be tailored to individual requirements and often include emergency medical services and home security coverage. Now we talk about the XYZ Life Insurance is well known for its comprehensive coverage options. They offer flexible plans that are customized to meet individual needs with excellent customer services and competitive rate. They are a popular choice for health and home insurance. Now we talk about our 7 point ABC Insurance Group. ABC Insurance Group is a leading provider in the USA. They offer policies designed to cover health and home related risks. Their policies provide benefits such as coverage for medical expenses and protection against home damage caused by unexpected events. PQR Insurance, basically PQR Insurance Assurance specializes in comprehensive coverage for health and home. They offer policies that combine health insurance and homeowners insurance, making it convenient for policyholders. PQR Assurance has a reputation for easy claims processing and affordable premiums. Now we talk about our point number 9, which is LMN Coverage Corporation. LMN Coverage Corporation focuses on protecting your health and home through their life insurance policies. They are known for reliable coverage and outstanding service. Their policies often include coverage for critical illness and repairs for your home. Now we talk about our 10 point number 10, DEF Insurance Services. DEF Insurance Services is a trusted name in the industry, providing comprehensive coverage for health and home. They offer policies that can be tailored to meet individual requirements. Their policies often include emergency medical services and coverage for home security. And now we talk about the point number 12. Point number 11 is missing. And conclusion: selecting the right life insurance company is crucial for safeguarding your health and home. XYZ Life Insurance Company, ABC Insurance Life Group, PQR Assurance, Element Coverage Corporation, and DEF Insurance Services all top choices in the USA. Evaluate their offerings, compare policy features, and consider customer reviews to make an informed decision. By choosing a reputable company specializing in health and home coverage, you can ensure financial protection and peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Now we talk about our point number 13, which is GHI Assurance. GHI Assurance is known for its comprehensive life insurance policies that cater to both health and home protection. They offer a range of options, including policies with coverage for medical expenses, home damage, and liability protection. GHI Assurance is recognized for its competitive rates and efficient claims processing. Now we talk about our point number 14, which is JKL Protection Services. JKL Protection Services is a reputable life insurance company that prioritizes the well-being of policyholders' health and home. They offer tailored policies that provide coverage for medical emergencies, home repairs, and other related risks. JKL Protection Services is often praised for its attentive customer service and commitment to policyholder satisfaction. M&O Insurance Corporation. Our last point, M&O Insurance Corporation is a trusted name in the industry specializing in life insurance coverage for health and home. Their policies encompass a wide range of benefits such as medical expense coverage, critical illness protection, and property damage protection. M&O Insurance Corporation is known for its customizable plans and reliable claims handling. Please subscribe my channel June Tech 1 and like my video and share my video with your friends. Okay, bye.